Alright, this is Bruce Cook. This is the next day after I put up those videos about getting this Rotor R2 fixed. I was asking for advice, and I managed to actually fix this thing myself last night. The motor was full of corrosion, like green corrosion from the battery and stuff, and the circuit board inside of it had a component that was completely broken off. Just after cleaning up the motor with a little bit of vinegar and a Q-tip, and then soldering that component back on, suddenly the loader's back to life. It worked. I did try one. I did test one hopper fill so far, just to make sure this was working before I put up a video. But we're gonna do it again. Got it on PSV 3 shot at 15 balls per second. So the Rotor R2. I'm just gonna fill all the way up. Let's see if it runs consistently again. Yep, see, it worked. Motor spun the dry cone, and everything seems to be working. There we go. I'm gonna try this a little bit closer. God, damn, I'm nuts. Yep, seems to be working perfectly good. So, well, there you go. This was my first video with the Rotor R2, and hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you next time.